OnePlus screen mirroring is gaining popularity for its flexibility, especially for mobile gamers who want a larger display and better controls. In this video, we'll show you 4 easy ways to mirror your OnePlus screen to a PC or TV for an enhanced experience. Part 1. Mirror OnePlus to computer via built-in screencast feature. Connect your OnePlus and PC to the same Wi-Fi. Enable projecting to this PC on your PC and open the Connect app. On your OnePlus, tap Cast and select your PC. Tap Start now to mirror your screen. Part 2. Perform OnePlus screen mirroring via dedicated program. Download and install the app on your PC, then connect your OnePlus via USB. Select Transfer Files to allow recognition. Enable Developer Mode, then enable USB debugging. Allow the app to show its interface and click Turn On to install Screen Mirror APK. Start mirroring your OnePlus screen to the PC. Part 3. Cast from OnePlus to PC using StarzMirror. Install StarzMirror on your OnePlus and PC. Launch the app on both devices. Scan the QR code on your PC with your OnePlus. Tap Start Now to begin mirroring. Part 4. Mirror OnePlus phone to TV or PC via link to Windows. Open phone link on PC and link to Windows on OnePlus. Connect both to the same Wi-Fi. Pair using a QR code or PIN. Then grant permissions. Access messages, photos, apps, and calls on your PC.